Welcome to this week's edition of AI, Machine Learning, and Digital Health Updates by LucidQuest. Let's dive straight into the latest news. The FDA's first generative AI pilot cut some scientific review chores from 3 days to minutes. So Commissioner Macri has mandated that every center adopt a unified, secure LLM platform by June 30th, 2025 to speed therapy approvals and slash busy work. Cloud-based generative AI is everywhere in healthcare. 88% of providers now use it. So organizations have doubled down on data loss prevention. Regulated data and source code dominate policy violations, and apps like Deep AI are being blocked in favor of vetted tools. A Neuralink brain-computer interface now lets a nonverbal ALS patient control a cursor, edit YouTube videos, and chat through Grok-assisted synthetic speech. The coin-thick implant streams motor cortex signals to a MacBook and has earned FDA breakthrough status. Wearable polysomnography paired with machine learning tracks stage-specific sleep disruptions that worsen chronic pain. Longitudinal home data reveal causal loops, pointing to personalized timing of CBT and biofeedback to reduce opioid reliance. FaceAge, trained on 58,000 faces, shows cancer patients appear nearly 5 years biologically older than peers. Each extra decade of FaceAge raises mortality risk by about 15% and improves physicians' prognostic accuracy from 74% to 8%. A review of 23 unsupervised digital cognitive tests finds strong consent and compliance rates plus solid test-retest reliability. Several tools correlate with amyloid and tau load and predict cognitive decline, enabling at-home screening for Alzheimer's trials. Using synthetic data distillation, a 70 billion parameter llama generated question-answer pairs that let an 8 billion parameter model match its teacher on clinical trial criteria extraction, proving local, privacy-safe NLP is viable even on modest GPUs. MRI-based atrial digital twins reveal that 60% of persistent AF patients need only standard pulmonary vein isolation. Fibrosis patterns identify who benefits from added posterior wall lines, potentially sparing healthy tissue and reducing repeat ablations. A strategy paper on AI for the global HIV response calls for ethical data governance, local technology ownership, and an open AI commons, stressing that algorithms must complement, not replace, funding and frontline expertise in low-resource settings. Machine learning on gut microbiome profiles from Israel and Canada detects complex regional pain syndrome with over 90% accuracy, uncovering a cross-population microbial signature that persists even after amputation and could enable stool-based diagnostics. AI-driven tools mined worldwide literature and patents on multiple myeloma CAR-T therapy, mapping trial designs and collaboration networks in minutes, reducing IP collision risk and spotlighting unmet needs for faster innovation. Taiwan's FaceHeart won a second FDA clearance. Its smartphone software development kit now measures respiratory rate to within 2 breaths per minute, adding to its heart rate nod and enabling edge device vitals for telehealth and elder care. A Nature Medicine study of 90,000 NHS patients shows HeartFlow's AI 3D heart scan saves the system £9.5 million by cutting unnecessary angiograms 7% and reducing repeat tests 12%. Within the NHS secure data environment, UCL and KCL are training a generative model called Foresight on de-identified records from 57 million people to forecast hospitalizations and address health inequities while keeping data locked down. Virtual care company Omada Health has filed for a Nasdaq IPO under the ticker OMDA after reaching $170 million in 2024 revenue and a 90% customer retention rate across diabetes, hypertension, musculoskeletal, and obesity programs. Aura's smart ring now analyzes meal photos for macronutrients and syncs with Dexcom's over-the-counter Stelo glucose biosensor. An in-app advisor cross-links food, sleep, stress, and glucose trends to coach metabolic health for $99 per bundle. Scientists warn that generative AI tools can fabricate biomedical images such as Western blots from scratch, evading current fraud detectors. Journals are urged to adopt new verification protocols before a synthetic image crisis erodes trust. Stay ahead in AI and healthcare research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at